Alright guys, I'm back with another video. Man, I let my battery voltage get too low. So hopefully we can charge back up. I forgot it got cold. I usually put it on the charger when it get real cold. So I ended up taking a while before I got out here to do this. Well, about a day I say. Guess it started yesterday, so maybe I'm in time. My voltage was really low. So I came out here, my light up there was flashing. So it was flashing like, I don't know. I couldn't even tell what it was so low. So hopefully I caught it just in time. Like my voltage is going back up now. So let me turn it off. Let's see if it jumped down. I think it's back up. I'm at 12.9, so I'm working my way back up. But as y'all can see, it's ice on the truck. So y'all see what's going on. Hopefully y'all got y'all on the charger in the garage or something like that. Maybe you don't have these problems, I don't know. But I hadn't had it on the charger in about a week or two. Well, I don't usually have to put it on the charger, but it got cold, so I had to get it on there. Of course, I ended up covering this amp up. I don't know if y'all do that or not, but I had this old weighted blanket that just been sitting around, and that's why I just use it for this. I use it just for this. So that's definitely what I'm gonna do. I don't think no moisture get in here, but I'm not gonna take any chances. I got that blanket under there with like a little fleece. A nice little investment right there, man. I want to kind of try to protect it if I can. Hopefully I'm doing pretty good as far as my voltage is going back up. But just a quick video, man. What did y'all do in the cold weather, man? We had a video like this a while back, but it's been a minute. So I actually had an issue with that. So you know, hopefully I got this thing squared away. And like I said, I got the amp covered up. Hopefully, I don't think I have any moisture inside of the car. I hadn't seen any. I'm gonna knock on wood just in case. Y'all know how that goes. As soon as you say you haven't seen it, then you'll see it in here. But hopefully not. But we got it charging up. We got the amp covered up. Y'all let me know down in the comments what y'all what do y'all do? You know, be sure to use the links down below to support the channel. Anything you need, BASSWITHKEV, use it in the checkout, the code. You know, put the code in at the checkout, or BWK at the checkout. Be sure to if you need any Headway sales or anything like that, be sure to shop battery hookup and use code BASSWITHKEV, and you'll get a discount off that sale as well. I be sure to damn, I can't even get it out, man. I've been out here trying to run around, trying to find a charger, man, and move around. I can't even get my words out. I thought I was gonna go crazy, man. I ain't think gonna charge back up, but I ain't never let it get that low. But anyway, I'll let y'all know on the updated video, you know, what happens or whatnot. Be sure to like, subscribe. See y'all back on the next one.